Welcome to TD Consultant. This is YouTube channel of TD Consultant and the YouTube channel name is Sir Abrar Ali. My name is Syed Abrar Ali. I have experience in the field as well as teaching at various universities and in the field in K Electric and Shakkar Electric Power Company. My major area of uh, study or the expertise is transmission and distribution, and another specialization in the power system studies and the protection. So this lecture is about the ADSS, the all dielectric self-supporting fiber optic cable. You know the fiber optic cables are used in the transmission and distribution system for sending data from one end to the other end. And why we need to send the data from one end to the another end, there are two purposes. That one is the to increase the speed of the protection system, to clear the fault in the minimum possible time, especially in long transmission lines. And number two is the transmission of data. So data collection has become very important nowadays because of the applications which are information technology related or artificial intelligence based. The sensors are being installed, so we need the data to be sent to a central location, that is the load dispatch center or the regional load centers. So for that purpose, we need the fiber optic cable. One of the type of the optical cable, which is optical ground wire, OPGW, I have discussed in the separate lecture. Now this is here ADSS, all dielectric support, self-supporting fiber optic cable, and the function is same as the OPGW, which is also very common, but there are some difference in the construction. Now this ADSS cable is actually an independent fiber optic cable and which has a covering of the dielectric, which provides the sheath against the interference, electrical interferences. It is a lightweight. It it can be supported on the same poles or the towers, and it is easy to install and easy to maintain because for the OPGW, which is serves as a ground wire as well as the fiber optic, it is on the top of the tower. You need not to install the ADSS on top of the tower. You can install it below the conductors, and you can have a margin of safety margin between the phase and the conduct and the ADSS. So it is very easy to install. It is lightweight, and this is also been widely used since long in this area of the data communication. Now, there is a construction detail a bit that it has a fiber optic core and dielectric is covering on that, the glass, plastic, etc. It is a waterproof kind of a cable, and normally it is installed overhead, but OPGW as well, not OPGW, these ADSS that can be installed underground in the ducts as well. In the ducts, in the tunnel, in the pipes, you can install the ADSS cable. So application, I told you in the very beginning, in the power and distribution networks, renewable energy, of course, that is connected to the transmission and distribution system to pump the electricity from there and to remove the congestion. And the telecommunication, which is very important, that it provides the verbal communication, that voice over IP as well as, and it is also a very high speed communication system, the fiber optic. So this is used for the protection as well as collection of data, sending of data, energy meter readings, and the various other functions of the data communication. So this has become very common. So I have discussed two types. One is OPGW and the other is the um, um, ADSS. Now this is company. These are our services here. We do the B2B lead, that is we provide lead for the startups, for the growth of the companies. new or the old companies, big or large companies, and we perform these functions which is written here. I myself write the contents and perform many other functions other than the electrical engineering. We have a CR integration program, con contact relation management program, which is very essential for the companies nowadays, performance analytics, and we also provide the IT services and IT enabled services. Plus, we have a professional development program and we conduct the training workshop as I do here on this YouTube channel, but we also conduct and arrange the webinars and seminars for the other trainers. If any trainer is interested, he can contact us by email and we can arrange the webinar, seminar, and do the marketing on their behalf. But because the professionals don't have the time, they have to prepare their lectures. So we can take that load and we can bring you the audience for your workshop. So the trainers in any area, management, engineering, or any other area can contact us. Thank you very much. Subscribe our channel, share our channel, like our channel, and this will encourage us to keep on continuing the education for our youth. So thank you very much for the time being, and thank you.